Hello, my friends. What a month it has been, right? I know, I'm still stuffed from Thanksgiving. You know what? I probably gained 15 pounds just from Thanksgiving dinner alone. But I wanted to make sure you didn't miss anything this month. So I'm going to give you a little recap of what we released. Most of these items are still available on our website, so go get them quickly if you missed out. Here we go. We started the month with our winter birds. And let me just tell you, you love them just as much as I do. I love the size. I love that they're larger. And I love that they can be multicolor. They can be any color you want. And if you don't want to color at all, just stamp them and die cut them out of red cardstock or blue cardstock. We also came out with this gorgeous, fun holly branch wreath, not leaf, wreath. So fun. And here's another cute one with our on our vertical stage card die. Love it. We also released this gorgeous, gorgeous poinsettia set. Beautiful. I love them. I know you do too. Here we go. Then later in the month, we released our Jingle Bell Fold It. Now the Jingle Bell Fold It is so fun. I love it. We also released the words joy and peace. So wonderful, so awesome to go on those cards. Here's another one, just so pretty. Just glitter paper. That's all you have to do is glitter paper. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Here we go. Oh, we also released, I love this, the Argyle background. The Argyle background goes so well with those birdies, doesn't it? I love that. So fun. We also released Happy Winter, the center die for this die set. Now, you don't have to use it on the flip-its if you don't want to, but it goes great on that large circle flip-it, right? Then I released, because this was mainly for me. If you don't buy it, that's okay. I don't care. I made it for me. I was making a snowman fold it, and I did not have stamps that I wanted to match for my snowman fold it. So I made a stamp set. And I'm offering it to you as well. It's called Snowman Stamps. It has lots of fun sayings on it, including when life gives you snow, make a snowman. Isn't that cute? I think that's the one I wanted for my original one that I made. We also released our card kit. This die comes in the card kit. Every card kit for this year, and I've already announced next year, will come with an A1 card base. What? I know, it's awesome. How do I do it? I don't know. Let's not ask, because I don't do math. We also released on our Black Friday this fun double mini slimline background die. We have the fun swirls and the fun flowers up at the top. We also released the oh so awesome slimline trifold. Look at this baby. Watch this. Ready? Happy birthday. What? I know. This one is large and in charge, let me tell you, but it is a showstopper, right? Oh my goodness. Give this to somebody, they're going to freak out. Here we go. We also released for Black Friday our easy peasy shaker cards. That's what we should just call them, easy peasy shaker cards. Comes with the bag, comes with sequins, but look how fun that is. Happy, happy birthday. Love it. Also, we released our coffee wax seals. These are limited edition. Once they're gone forever. Love it. It's a coffee cup. We also released for Black Friday, our fun scallop tags with the little dot stitch, dot stitch, dot stitch. And last but not least, one of my favorites is limited edition. We will not make this again. Once it's gone forever. Gone forever. Gone forever. Is Stephanie going to remanufacture it? No. Limited edition. And you know what? It's an awesome one. It is the Snowflake Edge card. It can be horizontal or it can be vertical, but look at how gorgeous that is with those snowflakes, with that edge. Look at that edge of the card. Isn't that amazing? It's cozy season. Look at how gorgeous that is. Limited edition. Once it's gone forever. So get it ASAP. Okay, my friends? What a month it has been. I can't believe Christmas and December are right around the corner. Can you? Time goes so dang fast. We are having way too much fun, aren't we? Which is all good, right? But I cannot wait to share with you what we have next month. I cannot wait to share with you what we have in 2025. I know I say this a lot. I'm going to knock your socks off, but some of the products that we're doing next year are showstoppers, let me tell you. So I'm very excited. So stay tuned. We have lots more coming, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. So much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.